Hey family, what's going on? This is Ken Spence. I wanted to record this and then upload it. It will go live at 7 p.m. both on YouTube and on Facebook. The upload function seemed to be working well. However, for the past 2 weeks, we have had more than 2 weeks. We've had issues with Facebook and with YouTube at the same time. And so we're waiting on responses. We're actually waiting because everything was set up correctly as it was supposed to be on Sunday, but we had an issue on Facebook. So we apologize for the inconvenience, but tonight we won't be streaming. We will have prayer tomorrow. That's on Zoom, and that's on Zoom. Zoom has gotten their game together since the outage a few months back. But what we're looking to do tonight, we're waiting for certain responses, waiting for some information, because both Facebook and YouTube have been acting a little off, and we're trying to figure out what's going on because we want to better serve those of our members, those who are on our those members we have that are viewing on YouTube and on our Facebook. So we do apologize. I apologize for the inconvenience. We're working to get things situated as best as we can, as fast as possible. God bless you, and Lord willing, we will see you Sunday, and you'll be able to see it on YouTube and on Facebook without interruption at all. God bless you. God keep you.